Hi. So do you want to tell me about the clouds outside?
Outside.
What about the clouds?
Clouds.
Yeah. Do you want to go outside and see the clouds, the fast clouds? Did you say that they're scary? Yeah? Let's go outside, okay? You see the clouds? What do you think about the clouds? You want to go inside? Okay. Well, should we go sit on the table instead? Come here. Have my hand. Have my hand. Here, I'll hold you. Okay. Alright. Oh boy. Alright. Come over here. Just sit on the table. Let's watch. Okay. What do you see? See some clouds? Yeah. What do you think of the clouds? Yeah. Here, come here. Sit with me. Can you say, hi clouds? How are you? Do you see how fast they're going? That's pretty cool. Look how fast. Do you see the sun? Where's the sun? Yeah. Whoa. Do you hear any birds chirping? There's a bird. Yeah. There's a cloud. Say hi, clouds.
Hi, clouds.
How are you?
Hi, clouds.
Yeah. Is it a little cold out here?
Mama.
Mama. You can stay here with Dad. Okay. So, do you want to wave? You want to wave to the clouds? Go like this? Say hi, clouds. Whoa, look at that big bird. Wow.
Oh, you can see it on the show.
You say, hi, clouds, you're moving so fast. You say, yes. I love. Can you say, I love the clouds? You want to go inside? But let's hang out with the clouds for a little bit first, okay? Say, hi, clouds. We want to make the clouds our best friend. Say, hi, friend. Oh, good job. You said hi, friend. Here, let's look at the clouds. Let's check them out. Can you say hi, clouds? Okay, say hi, clouds first. Do you want a treat? Okay, so we're back. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. Okay, you want fish? Okay, I'll give you a fish. Can you put your hand out? Give a high five to the cloud. Say hi, cloud. Wave to it. Wait, wave to the cloud. Wave to the cloud. Say hi, cloud. Thanks for being my friend today. Put a big smile. Oh, look at that. Do you like the clouds? Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, you want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Thank you. Say I love clouds. Yeah. Say bye, clouds. See you later. See you later. Bye-bye. So we decided to do an exposure because my daughter was a little nervous of the clouds. back here. They're moving really, really fast. She's never been nervous before, so instead of, she wants to go right inside immediately. Instead of doing that, we decided just to come outside, enjoy the air, feel everything, and allow her to change her response, which is what we want, to the scariness of it. So if I took her inside immediately and I said, hey, you can go inside, I know you're scared, then it teaches her brain that like, hey, when I'm scared, I can avoid or I can run, and that's not what we're doing anymore. And so that's why we are essentially kind of doing a little exposure. She's obviously a little bit young, but you can do this at any age. It doesn't matter. You just need to teach them that you're not accommodating at all times. You can help out a little bit, but you also need to teach them that their response is going to be a little bit different, that maybe the threats, which we don't know in their little heads what's going on, but we need to change those threats to say, hey, I don't know what you think the fear is, but let's check it out. Let's see what's going to happen. So I hope that was helpful for you to be able to see what a little exposure would kind of look like for a child.